Hello guys, this is Archana from AS Webworks LLP. Hope you all are doing fine. Today we will discuss about some of the jobs which are high demand in the market after learning an AI course or AI training and all that you can pursue in future. Okay, not in future, you can say that 2025, it's already 2025. Maybe in future jobs you can say. Okay, so let's see some of the jobs. Uh, but before going to the jobs, you should have the base skills that is required for the AI, that is learning one programming language like in Python or R, or basics of machine learning language, uh, or machine learning algorithms and all you have to know. So these are the some of the basic knowledge you should be having, or if you have got a certificate in AI and all, then you can go for these kind of jobs and all. Okay, first one is like artificial intelligence engineer. So artificial intelligence engineer is basically AI engineer only. So it's you can also call it as ML engineer, machine learning engineer also. So both are having like same duties. Okay, some of the jobs will say that it is AI engineer, some other call it as machine learning engineer. So both are having almost same duties. So they uses like mathematical statistical knowledge and Python coding and ML algorithms to build and train a machine learning model. And they also also use software engineering skills to deploy them for the production. Okay, and they also like integrate with the rest of the software applications in that organization. That is the main duties of an artificial intelligence engineer. So duties are little bit high and more responsible kind of job, you can say that. So you have to handle all those things. So that is an artificial intelligence engineer. So developing applications and help the organization to become more efficient. Okay, and machine learning engineers same like artificial intelligence engineer only, like uh, they research, build and design AI responsible for machine learning. Okay, so these two kind of jobs can also collaborate with like data scientist and even software engineer also. You have to interact with these people like data scientist and software engineer, so you should be having good communication skills also. Okay, so the other job, let's see that data engineer. So in order to train a machine learning model you require data. So what is data engineer means? So data engineer makes that data available to the organization. Okay, data engineer builds systems that collect, manage and convert raw data into usable information for data scientists and to other business analysts and other data professionals, and make it very useful. So they will make the raw data, they will clean the data and make it in a usable format to all these data scientists, business analysts and all. So whatever jobs comes under this data engineer or data analyst does the same job, like around the data, using data um, they will collect and manage the data. Okay, so that is data engineer. Now robotics engineer, that is also another field you can choose, but it requires more skills uh, like uh, like robotics engineering. You can say that it's a combination of like mechanical, electrical with computer science. Okay, so robotics engineer, what they do does is that they will develop robotic applications for many of the industries like automotive or manufacturing, defense and medicine industries. That also include like on-site work also, or like overseeing robots during project production and all, that includes. So it requires like electrical engineering, some of the electrical engineer and mechanical engineering skills also, and little bit of computer science also. Okay. And the NLP engineer, and one more is the computer vision engineer. So NLP engineer means like natural language processing engineer. So these are like specialization fields in AI, natural language processing and computer vision engineer. So these are like specialization fields. If you are interested to go on to a specialization like natural language processing or computer vision, you can choose for these jobs. So they require like very strong knowledge in NLP or computer vision. Okay, so that is the job. And software engineer, of course, software engineer, you can become a software engineer after learning AI. So software engineer, everyone knows that uh, they also, we call them as, sometimes they will call as developers. They can create softwares for computers and applications, and they uses programming languages and platforms architectures to develop uh, like computer applications or computer game like that. Okay, so that is the other job. And data scientists, so most of them are like very interested in this data scientist field. Okay, so data scientist is a, like you can say that, that determines what questions an organization or team should ask to help them to figure how to answer those questions using data. So using data, how to answer whatever questions raised by the organization, that a data scientist does. So it requires like specialized statistical knowledge, skills like that. Okay. And like computational, like special skills should be there. For example, mathematics, statistics, and tools like Python, machine learning skills are also required for data scientist. So these are the some of the most demanding jobs. If you are very if you know the fundamentals of AI, these are the jobs you can pursue after doing a AI course, AI training, or AI certification. And in our company also, we will provide certification course in AI, best artificial intelligence online training program. You can either like opt for a 6 weeks program, and you can also opt for a 4 months program. You can choose any of the program. If you are a beginner, you can opt for a 4-month AI training program. Our artificial intelligence site I will show you. So here you can go for the trainings. In trainings you can go for artificial intelligence. So we provide like 6 weeks programs and 4 months programs. If you have a prior coding knowledge experience, or you know, if you know Python and all, you can opt for a 6 weeks program. So within 6 weeks you are able to cover like everything in artificial intelligence. And if you are total beginner or fresher, you don't know anything about AI, you don't know anything about coding, you can opt for a 4 month uh, training program. And it is very good, like we will cover like more practical sessions, and we will start from the beginning, like from Python, what is computer science, like that we will start from the beginning and go to, slowly go to the machine learning. Then we will go to the generative AI and prompt engineering, and even how to make a chatbots also. So you can opt for any of the training program. It is well and good enough to pursue any of the careers I have mentioned here. Okay, so we will wind up here. Have a good day.